Good morning, everyone. Let's start with revision of chapter number 13. From this chapter, today I will discuss the concept of triangles. Okay, sit. Triangle. Any closed figure. Now listen to me very, very carefully. Closed figure made up of 3 line segments. How many line segments? 3 line segments. And closed figure. You will not say open figure. Closed figure formed by 3 line segments is known as triangle. Okay? In triangle, we have 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices. Everything is equal to 3. If the question is, how many angles in a triangle? Then you will say 3. Because tri word stands for 3. This thing is clear? Okay? And one more thing, अगर आपसे कोई पूछे, this triangle word is used for 3-sided closed figure or 3-sided open figure. Tell me. Very good. 3-sided closed figure is termed as triangle. Fine. Now, if we have a triangle, this is a triangle. The name of this triangle is, let us suppose P, Q, R. Okay, the name. What is the name of this triangle? My first question for you is, what is the name of this? So you will write triangle PQR. This symbol is compulsory. This triangle symbol is compulsory. Otherwise, no marks is given to you. If you will write only this thing now in exam, if figure is given to you PQR, and in the exam you will write this PQR, then you will get no marks because PQR हमें क्या पता क्या है ये PQR. So very much compulsory to put the symbol of triangle. This is important. This symbol is important. Triangle PQR. This thing is clear? Now, this is the name. This is the name of triangle. Next is sides. Tell me the names. Shut up. Rest of the students, write down in the chat box. Tell me. In this figure, we have how many sides? Name them. PQR. Side. Side is written by PQR. PQR. According to you, PQR. ये side है? ये side है? Students, tell me, this is side. किसको बोलते हैं साइड? इसको साइड बोलते हैं कि सिर्फ ये साइड होती है? टेल मी, किसको साइड बोलते हैं? दिस इज द शेप ऑफ साइड और दिस इज द शेप ऑफ साइड. टेल मी. ये वाली 1 2 1 2. इट मीन्स रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ 2 अल्फाबेट्स. इट मीन्स रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ 2 अल्फाबेट्स लाइक दिस. यहां से लेके यहां तक 1 2 PQ. So PQ. Okay, this is PQ. What about next? कोई नहीं बोलेगा? कोई नहीं बोलेगा, वो बोलेगी. बोलो. Yes, QR. And what about next? RP. RP or PR, write anything your wish. Either write RP or PR, there will be no compulsion, your wish. Okay, now next is, yes Pavneet, you have any doubt?
No, मैम मैंने आंसर देना था.
Now next is, if I am talking about vertices. vertices word is used for corner, corners. आप छोटी क्लासेस में कॉर्नर बोलते थे ना, अब कॉर्नर नहीं बोलना, अब आपने क्या बोलना है, वर्टिसेस. सिंगल इज नोन एज वर्टेक्स, सिंगल इज नोन एज वर्टेक्स and plural of vertex is vertices. Stand up. How many vertices? Name them. Yes, P, one is P, second is Q, and third is R. P is vertex, Q is vertex, and R is vertex, all together termed as vertices. Okay, this thing is clear. Now next is angles. Now tell me, how many angles? Yes, 3 angles. We have, stand up, come here. We have 3 angles. Fine. So this is angle P, angle Q, angle R. So how many angles we have? In triangle we have 3 angles. This thing is clear to you? This is a triangle. The name of this triangle is triangle PQR. In triangle we have 3 sides, and side is written by 2 alphabets like this. Side is like this, 1, 2. 1 alphabet, second alphabet. So side is written by 2 alphabet. Sit down. Now next we have, my next heading is classification of triangles. Next is note down side by side, all of you. Now, the next is classification. Yes. Very good. Now, classification. Classification means types of triangles. Classification word is used for types of triangle. Okay. So in triangle, we have 2 classifications. One on the basis of sides, one on the basis of sides, and second on the basis of angles. In a triangle, we have 3 sides and 3 angles. So one classification on the basis of sides and one classification on the basis of angles. Okay. According to sides, we have 3. मैंने आपको बेटा पहले बोला है, ट्राइंगल का फीचर है, ट्राइंगल में हर एक चीज आप कितनी ऑब्जर्व करोगे, 3. ओके. नाउ basis of sides we have number 1 scalene, number 2 isosceles, number 3 equilateral. Okay. On the basis of sides we have 3 types: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Okay. Now on the basis of angles we have acute angled, not angle, you will not say angle, angled. Okay. Second is, yes, obtuse angled and right angled. You will not write angle, you will write angled. Now I am going to explain each part one by one. Classification means types. Scalene. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides are different, or you can say unequal. Unequal. Use the word different or unequal. Okay, both are the same thing. So scalene triangle is a triangle in which we have three unequal sides. Isosceles. Iso word is used for two equal. Iso word is used for two equal. So isosceles triangle is a triangle in which we have two equal sides. Two, only two. Two equal sides. Fine. Equi word is used for equal. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला आइसो वर्ड इज यूज फॉर टू इक्वल. Equi word is used for all three equal. So equilateral triangle is a triangle in which we have all the three sides are equal. All three unequal, two sides equal, all three sides equal. Clear? Now come here. Acute angled. Acute, cute. प्यारे प्यारे. हम छोटे बेबी को बोलते हैं ना कितना क्यूट है. लाइक दिस. एक्यूट. एक्यूट भी छोटा होगा. किससे छोटा होगा? 90 से. So acute angled triangle is a triangle in which we have all the three angles. All the three. एक नहीं, सारे के सारे तीनों ही acute. All the three angles are less than 90. All three cute. ट्राइंगल में हमारे पास कितने एंगल्स होते हैं? 3 ना. तो एक्यूट में 3 के 3 क्यूट होंगे. एक्यूट लेस देन 90. ऑल 3. फाइन. ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल्ड. ऑब्ट्यूस. लुक, दिस इज 90. दिस इज how many angles? 90. How many angles? 90. If I am talking about this is 90 right angled. Right word is used for 90-degree angle. Okay. So right angled triangle is a triangle in which we have, you tell me, how many angles? 90-degree. How many angles? इसमें तो मैंने आपको बोला ना all three acute. All three. Here you will write all three acute. Now tell me what about this? Right angled. Right angled. Right word is used for 90-degree angle. How many angles are 90? जैसे इसमें तीनों के तीनों acute है, इसमें तीनों के तीनों 90 है. Yes, very good. Only one angle is 90. In right angled triangle, only one angle is 90. Okay? Only one angle. Only one angle is 90-degree. Fine. Similarly, obtuse angled. Obtuse means like this. ये 90 होता है ना? 90 से जो छोटे हो जाते हैं वो क्यूट होते हैं. एक्यूट. छोटे हो गए ना, ये मैंने छोटा कर दिया. ये 90 था, मैंने 90 को स्मॉल कर दिया, तो ये कौन सा हो गया? एक्यूट. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इंक्रीज 90. ऑब्ट्यूस. हाँ, ऑब्ट्यूस कहते हैं. नाउ टेल मी, in obtuse angled triangle, how many angles are obtuse? How many? All three, two, or only one? Only one. Only one angle bigger than 90. Only one. Obtuse angled in this, only one. Only one. Only one angle is obtuse. Fine. Acute में तीनों के तीनों ही एक्यूट, ऑब्ट्यूस में ओनली वन ऑब्ट्यूस एंड राइट में ओनली वन राइट. ओके, नाउ दिस थिंग इज क्लियर students? This concept is clear to you? Write down in the chat box or raise your thumb, then I will start next. Yes, now come to the next. This is a classification. So according to classification, in total we have six हो गए ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6. In total we have six different types. Now come to the next, angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. Anyone? Angle sum property of a triangle. Yes, Natansh, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hanji beta, tell me angle sum property of a triangle.
Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree.
Yes. It means you will not say in journal, you will not say angle A plus angle B plus angle C. In journal, you will say sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, Natansh? Natansh, this thing is clear to you? Natansh, this thing is clear? Next time you will not say angle A plus angle B plus angle C बेटा, क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता triangle का क्या name होगा. You will say sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, because if the name of triangle is PQR, तो आप ABCD ना लिखोगे, फिर आप क्या लिखोगे? एंगल P प्लस एंगल Q प्लस एंगल R is equal to 180 degree. So in journal you will say sum. Stand up, second last girl, stand up. What is the meaning of sum in mathematics? Hanji? Yes. Some word is used for addition. Some word is used for addition of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Good. Now, my question is classification. Okay. Classify the triangle on the basis of angles given. First is 90 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. Now tell me, what is the name of a triangle if these three angles are given? Only raise your hands. Rest of the students, write down your result in the chat box. Yes, students? Yes. Beta, my question is classification, name. Beta, मैंने पूछा है what is the name? Classification means what is the name of a triangle if these three angles are given to you? इसको बोलते हैं classification. Classification means what is the name of a triangle? Yes. क्या right? Right angled triangle. Classification means tell the name. Keep in your mind, whenever you will observe classification word, classification means tell the name. Okay, now I have just explained now, if one angle is 90 degree and for 90 degree we used right word, right angled. So one angle is 90 degree, so the name is right angled, yes, right angled triangle. Clear? Now next part is, now classify this. Yes. Shut up. 130 degree angle is given to you. 40 degree angle is given to you. 10 degree angle is given to you. What is the name of a triangle? Obtuse angled triangle. Angled. अगर पेपर में एंगल लिख के आओगे मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. Angled. So you will write obtuse angled triangle. Okay. One angle is obtuse. As one angle is obtuse. One angle is obtuse. It means the name is obtuse angled triangle. Okay. Now come to the next. Next is, now tell me what about this? Stand up, beta. Yes. 80 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree. Acute. All are cute. Less than 90. 80 is less than 90. 60 is less than 90. 40 is less than 90. सारे cute है. It means acute angled triangle. So the name of a triangle is acute angled. Yes, acute angled. Okay, acute angled triangle. You have to write the word triangle. Acute angled triangle. Fine. This thing is clear to you, students? Raise your thumb. Yes. Come to the next. My next question is, if in a triangle, if in a triangle LMN, name of a triangle is LMN, angle L is given to you 80 degree. Fine. Angle M is given to you. Angle M is given to you 50 degree. The question is to find N. Question mark. Tell me. How can you find? L angle is given to you. M angle is given to you. N angle is given to you. Pavneet, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me, Pavneet, how can we solve this sum?
Ma'am, we can solve this sum by according to some property.
Very good. First of all, you have to write angles according to angle sum property. Very much compulsory to write this thing. Okay. So you will write according to A double C dot. For according, you can use A double C dot. Okay. According to angle sum property. Angle sum property, angle L plus angle M plus angle N is equal to, yes, Pavneet? Pavneet, this is equal to what? Mehak, unmute yourself. Solve your
Ma'am,
sum.
Ma'am, this is equal to 180 degrees.
Very good. Pavneet, 180 beta, not 360 degree. 180 degree, as this is a triangle. 360 degree we used for quadrilateral. Okay. So you will write here 180 degree. Now put the values. What is L? 80. What is M? 50. And as it is. Okay. Angle N as it is. Very good, Mehak. Next is not for you. Okay. Ranesh, unmute yourself. Ranesh, what is the next step? Ranesh. Kinjal Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next step?
Ma'am, we will shift angle N.
We will shift angle N.
Ma'am, angle 180 degree.
What is the next step now? Kinjal, what is the next step? अभी हम क्या करें?
Ma'am, we will plus 80 degree plus 50 degree.
Tell me. Very good. Now 80 plus 50. First of all, add 80 plus 50. Very good. And after addition, you will get 130 degree. Right here. 130 degree plus angle N is 180 degree. Okay. Now next is not for you, Kinjal. Very good. Hanji. Very good. In the next step, you will shift now algebra. ये algebra ही है. Like algebra na, this is unknown. This is unknown. To find this unknown, we will shift this 130 degree to the right hand side. कल से जो मैं आपको करवा रही थी एसपी में सीपी में मैंने जो शिफ्टिंग्स करवाई है आपको, ये वही शिफ्टिंग है. आपने इसको फाइंड करना है, तो इसके पार्टनर को राइट हैंड साइड पे क्या कर दो? शिफ्ट कर दो. आफ्टर शिफ्टिंग दिस विल चेंज टू माइनस. ओके. So next step is angle N is 180 minus 130. Yes. So you will get 50 degree. So like this we will solve the sum. Yes. And I am going to repeat one more time. Very much compulsory to write this thing according to angle sum property. Otherwise your half marks will be cut. In the हाँ, हमें क्या पता आप ये लिख रहे हो 180 डिग्री, क्या लिख रहे हो बेटा? You have to mention according to angle sum property. In the end, very much compulsory to write degree symbol. Very much compulsory to write this symbol of degree. Otherwise, again your half marks will be cut. तो 1 marks तो आपका वैसे ही कट हो जाएगा. Okay. Now write down next question. क्यों एंगल क्यों लिखोगे? डिग्री लिख तो दिया. डिग्री का मतलब एंगल ही है. ये हमने इसके ऊपर डिग्री लगाई है. डिग्री का मीनिंग ही एंगल है, तो हम डिग्री एंगल वर्ड क्यों लिखेंगे? नहीं लिखेंगे. नहीं क्यों लिखना है? हमने उसकी वैल्यू पुट कर दी. अब आप यहाँ पे एंगल 80 ऐसे तो ना लिखोगे. हाँ तो वो लिखा तो है एंगल n इज इक्वल टू 50. लिखा तो है, वो तो लिखना ही है एंड में. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट इज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 7th question from the exercise 13A. Exercise 13A, question number 7th. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. Ratio is given to you. Which information is given to you? Ratio of angles. Okay? 2:3:4. This information is given to you. Ratio of angles 2:3:4. Question is, find the measure of each angle. रेशियो का मतलब कंपैरिजन. आप 6th क्लास में डिटेल में करोगे. रेशियो इज यूज्ड फॉर कंपैरिजन ऑफ थिंग्स. जब हमने किसी का कंपैरिजन करना होता है, ओके, देन वी यूज रेशियो. रेशियो इज गिवन. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू सॉल्व दिस सम. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 1. Step number 1 is plus the each term from the ratio. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 and you will get 9. Okay. Now in the second step, step number 2, angle 1 is, ये क्या है, 2 divided by 9 into 180 degree. और यही अगर सम क्वाड्रिलेटरल का होता तो आपने यहाँ पे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना था? 360 से. ओके. नाउ डू द कैंसलेशन. 40 डिग्री. सिमिलरली एंगल 2, सेकंड रेशियो में सेकंड नंबर कौन सा है? 3. सो 3/9 इंटू 180 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री. ओके. Now 3. 4/9 into 180. So 80 degree. Like this we will solve the sum. And same method we will apply to the quadrilateral. If like this any question is based on quadrilateral, then you will solve the sum with same method. But in place of 180 degree, you will write 360 degree. वो भी आ सकता है आपको पेपर में. जरूरी नहीं है आपकी बुक में आपको ये ट्राइंगल का क्वेश्चन गिवन है तो पेपर में ट्राइंगल का ही आना है. क्वाड्रिलेटरल का भी आ सकता है. The only difference is in place of 180 degree, you will write 360. वहां पे आपको 3 पार्ट्स नहीं गिवन होंगे. वहां पे आपको कितने पार्ट्स गिवन होंगे? 4. अच्छा, what is the reason why 4 parts in quadrilateral? Very good. Because very good Natansh also. Because quadrilateral is a closed figure with 4 sides. So if the question is based on quadrilateral, then in place of 3 parts you will observe 4 parts. करना सेम ऐसे ही है. Add all, then like this, but in place of 180 degree you will multiply by 360 degree. Keep in your mind. Okay. So triangle, closed figure made up of 3 sides. In triangle we have 3 angles. In a triangle we have 3 vertices. Vertices means corner. Now single corner is termed as, what is the name of single corner? Vertex. Very good. Vertex. The single corner name is vertex. सिंगल का ये नेम है. प्लूरल को क्या बोल देते हैं? vertices. Okay. And now onwards, means from 5th class onwards, try to use the name vertices in place of corners. Okay. Now next is angle sum property of a triangle. The sum of 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. If 2 angles are given, then we can easily find the third angle by applying the concept of angle sum property. This thing is clear, students? The concept is clear to you about the triangle? Scalene, all the three sides are unequal. Unequal means different. Iso word is used for two equal. So isosceles, isosceles. बोलो मेरे साथ, isosceles. Isosceles नहीं होता, isosceles. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which we have two equal sides. Two. Okay. Students, rest we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.